And what all things can we do to create awareness amongst the people so that water conservation can happen? If I make you the Prime Minister of India for one day, what all things will you try to do? What all things will you change so that we can reduce and fight against water pollution? So which superpower would you like to have and how would you use it to reduce water pollution in India? How can you help India reduce water pollution? Do you think social media is a very big platform nowadays?
Social media is like getting exposure a lot now. So we can actually put something on water. In that, first we need to educate the people. We can't just put down the factors that we need to preserve water, so we are installing rainwater harvesters in every house. But we need to first educate the people about the technology, how we conserve the water in that.
Superpower. I guess I would like to have the superpower of words to spread awareness, to make people actually aware, because people aren't even aware that they need to protect, save, preserve, conserve water, and the ways to conserve them. They're all going wrong. They're all going in a wrong direction. So I guess I'd like to have the power of words so that I can actually make them aware of it.
I think people know about water conservation and all topics, but they ignore it. So I would rather being talking to educated people, I would love to talk with people who do not have these kind of information. And I'll go with that Jeho idea, influencing 3 people. Then each of one of them will influence other 3 people.
Many people have sufficient water in their homes, so they do not worry about water conservation. But we can make them know that there are many places in our country, in India, where they do not get a drop of water. They have to walk miles to take the water.
In Japan, there's something like a tap. They've installed a tap. If somebody washes their hands, the water is refilled in that tank. And it can help us in conservation of water.
If people are educated and we are talking about conservation of water, but why not creating water? Like we all know, it is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So human brains, it can think of developing water. Don't you think so?
The first thing I would do is I would I would give a speech about the importance of water. Because if I do it all alone and people don't participate, then it will be of no use.
Do you think speech will do? Because don't you think people already know that we need to?
No, they do. But sometimes when you explain it to them, you have to explain it to them in a different way. After the speech, because after I influence, everybody will take part. Like Anna Hazare did for his, and Modi did for Swachh Bharat. I'll do that. After that, I'll take measures. Like I'll introduce acts, because many a times you see, even though the acts are there is corruption, and then they remove the act and all. But I'll be strict. I'll keep that act that everybody should not throw. Whoever is, he'll be fined. And like with the police, if they're found to be corrupt, I'll charge them, I'll imprison them for life. But I'll leave them after 5 years. They'll get a nice they'll get a nice lesson. After that, through this, even though if it's for one day, over time, everybody will change accordingly, and then water pollution will be reduced. And I hope by doing that, I get the job for one day, and India will become the leading power.
And I still have that point in my mind that you said that I would penalize, or let's say I would imprison people who would not follow.
Yes, sir.
What if mom does that?
I will.
You will imprison her as well?
Yes.
You loved your parents, yeah?
I love my parents. But as my parents taught me, that whoever does wrong, he has to be. No matter who it is. It is my best friend, it is my mother, it's my grandmother. Yes, I will imprison her, because I have to tell people that I am not biased. I have to be unbiased with everyone.